EMSF currently traded at 0135. You guys are obviously down quite a bit today. Looks just to be about minus 32.5%. Point out the last time that we took a look at this one would have been right here in this area. To be a little bit more detailed, that area would have been right here. Okay, 0066 right there in that area. I said watch for 0068 to break. The stock is ready to move. Resistance after. Resistance after 68 would be 01. Support at 042 and 28. Chart technical analysis alert. So, of course, you guys know how I roll, right? When we do these alerts or whatever on the technical analysis standpoint, we're not talking about what's going to be happening here in a few months, even with the other one that we were just looking at. I mean, even though it's up that much, I mean, I wasn't honestly expecting it to go that high, but I mean, it was right there in the moment of what I seen building inside of the chart. So what we're going to be watching for is that I'm going to go ahead and add in the volume on here to make sure that I can see what the volume's looking like today also. That being said, right now the volume is currently at 2.09 million. Yesterday it was 8.41 million. So what's going on right here? Well, you guys had a little bit of a gap up. You guys know the gap ups, but look at yesterday was a perfect proven point to you that when you have those gap ups, it could still go. Because I even said in the video, 9 times out of 10 it pulls down. Well, guess what? This is one of those ones that didn't, and you guys go ahead and take off. So yesterday when it closed at 2 cents. There seemed to be some doubt at opened because you gapped down. Not a ton, but 0194, just not enough buying pressure. You would have seen that right then and there. If that buying pressure, that thing was opening lower than where it closed, right then and there would have been your first signal that the buying pressure is weakening. I wouldn't, take that home to the bank right now and say that it's all over either. In my opinion, let's see where you're sitting at right now. You guys are almost at a decent support line. I think that's probably going to be about bottom where you're at right there, especially on the 0109 area. It looks to be about a solid support coming back here to it was about mid to end December. Line after that would be about 0096. Where you're working at right now, I mean, that would be kind of you can't really put one where it's at right now. So we'll go off of about where it's at right now, but not the bottom of that candle. So you're right now at one support. Your second support off of that will be the 0190. And I will type this up while Joe takes over.
All right, so there was a press release on it yesterday, and it was EMS Find signs licensing and partnership agreement with Epic MD. So EMS Find, the developer of innovative mobile and web-based platforms with focus on e-commerce, healthcare, and transportation, is pleased to announce the signing of a worldwide revocable, and renewable software license and partnership agreement with Epic MD, a full-service medical transportation company serving healthcare organizations and facilities throughout the United States. Epic MD's platform eliminates the need for health plans and healthcare organizations to invest time and staff to administrate transportation logistics, organizes and administers all aspects of healthcare transportation logistics, including non-emergency medical transportation and emergency medical transportation. Their client list includes Humana, CarePlus health plans, iCare healthcare options, HealthSun, and CAC Florida centers. Under the terms of this agreement, Epic MD agreed to license and deploy EMS Find's on-demand software platform in conjunction with Epic MD's medical mobility software platform, designed to be used for trip scheduling, claims adjudication, and verification to manage the transportation benefits for any healthcare plans, facilitates, and providers. So the EMS Find CEO commented, this partnership agreement provides EMS Find with direct access to the Epic MD's network of healthcare providers, which will speed up the introduction and adoption of EMS Find's products in B2B healthcare markets. This is a key milestone in EMS Find's product market development strategy and add a significant revenue stream. We look forward to working closely with Epic MD in order to realize the full potential that this opportunity presents for both companies. So that's basically where that gap up came from yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And then, depending on what the actual, news is with any company, if that gap up won't, how you have that video that you have, if it can sustain it, basically. And I mean, right here, it really comes down to Epic MD. Like, you go look at them as a company. How big are they? Like, I've never personally heard of them. Maybe they're huge. Obviously, they have a lot of different, the client list seems pretty big, just Humana itself is huge. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's the recent news from these guys since the last time I went over it. And as always, if you want to read this news for yourself, just go right over onto Investors Hangout. You click on you put in the ticker symbol EMSF, and then it'll bring you right to the actual company's ticker board or the message board. And from there, you can look at the company profile, time and sales, recent news, and you can pull up their filings, their financials, and the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of daily users that we have over on Investors Hangout.
All right. Again, with the stock chart, one last time, 222, 0134. Wait for a bounce off of the 0109 support, 0134, 0109. Resistance at 0203. Buying interest is slow. That's basically the only issue that I'm seeing here. So we're just going to go ahead and let this trade sideways for a few days, guys. Keep an eye on it. It definitely has a history of just taking off. So you've seen that back here, but it pulled back right off of that, and that was on 1219, right around that area. So again, stock ticker symbol EMSF. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and share this video with everybody you know. If you have a hot stock you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know there. We'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list.